Photoshop has some great ways of creating patterns. Patterns can be created using gradients, brushes and much more. But my approach is this one, classic gradient. I just love using this feature and I think you will as well. Just go to the gradient tool, classic gradient. You could go with gradient as well, but classic gradient I find it much easier. Select a different gradient, any of these ones, colour harmonies, all in your legacy gradients. Well, go ahead to the blend modes and select difference. You could of course use other ones as well, but difference is quite a powerful one. And go with linear. And simply click on the document and drag and release. And you can repeat that multiple times. Just click in different positions and drag. Also you can hold down the shift key to make sense just in a straight line downwards. Apply it multiple times and you can see maybe have very thin just by applying and then releasing or dragging over the entire design. And literally thousands of different gradient designs can be created very quickly. It's probably impossible to create as an actual gradient, but here is your gradient now that you can use. And the key tool for this is libraries. So window and libraries. And there you can see you've got your libraries. Make certain you select the actual library you want to use for your patterns. No point in going to another one. Say I can go up here and you've got loads of other ones. Make certain you select something like patterns so you can actually put it somewhere where you can find it. Then go down here to the little plus, click there and go for this, extract from image. So it's that plus just at the bottom, right next to delete. Very odd, I know. Extract from image. So click there and now you'll see this panel. And the default one is patterns. That's the first one. And it's just using this design here. You can see it here, just down there. And you can just change the scale. So you can change this scale and you can see you get a design there. You can move this around as well. You might like that one. And at any point, if you think, you know what, this is a great pattern that I want, save to CC library. So click that. And you've also got other options here. So go along here. You can select that one. I think that looks pretty cool as well. So save to CC libraries. Again, click this one and save to CC libraries and change the scale. And you can also rotate and also move this. Don't try to move this. This will not, that one won't move. I try to move it, but it doesn't move. And you can see as you drag that around, you might want to change the scale there. And you think, you know what? I think that looks great as well. Save to CC libraries. So they're all stored away in your library. So you can use them for future projects. So let's just close that now. You can close it here or close it up here. Click there. And you can see now you've got them added here. Now they're not patterns at this precise moment. What you need to do is go to one, and I'm going to select this one, and right click and apply pattern. You can also use create pattern preset. If you want to store it to your patterns library, select that, create pattern preset. So it's stored away in that as well. But now right click and apply pattern. And there it is applied. Here's your pattern design. And then you can just change the angle, you can change the scale. Now it'll default probably to 25 or some value. I'm just going to change it maybe to 78 and you can see then, and you can also move it around just exactly the same as any other pattern layer in Photoshop and click OK. And you can see here, you've got your pattern layer and you can always go back to it at any point. So double click, this pattern fill will appear and you can manipulate the scale as well as the angle and cancel. And of course, you can always add additional ones just by going here and adding additional pattern designs. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know. Also, do you use patterns? Do you really love patterns? I love patterns in all kinds of applications. Affinity Photo is pretty cool for pattern designs as well. But I think Photoshop is pretty decent with its libraries and also this extract feature. I think it's just a cool feature. Also, of course, you've got other options for patterns. You've got here view and pattern preview. That's a pretty useful area as well. Bye.